Hi, my name's Lou from Evolve by Choice, and I've been working with Mary since late 2025. I initially got connected with Mary because my business was growing way faster than I knew how to deal with. I was running the business by myself, so all my processes were in my head, and the thought of having to hand over a task or a process to my VA, it was just easier for me to do it myself. And I'm sure people can relate to that. So I got connected with Mary. Mary and I had a one-on-one, talked through what are my processes, what are my systems, and she just ran with it. Came back with all these solutions on this is what we're going to do, this is how we're going to do it, and this is the outcome that I can provide you. And now I'm stoked. I feel like I actually have a back end to the business. Most of my processes now are automated, so I don't even have to worry about it. And I have a beautiful SOP library that I can just hand over to my VA and say, this is what I want, and this is how we do it. Throughout working with Mary, I had a million ideas and we brainstormed a lot, and nothing was too much. I felt like for the first time in my business that I just had someone backing me in my corner who was like, yes, we can make that happen and we can also automate it. Let's go. So now where I'm at, as I said, I've got a beautiful SOP library that I can just hand off tasks to someone and say, this is how you do it. I also have an example that now I can go in the back end and see what Mary's done so then I can replicate it. And most of my systems are automated, so I'm not spending so many hours every week doing admin. It's such a pleasure. It was so hard to end my time with Mary, but I know I have a little Mary in my pocket, and if I need her, I can simply reach out and she's there to support me. Mary comes highly recommended from me.